It's a fascinating start to a story, right? Because you've got basically a Sparkie. I'm a tradie, and you're that mad entrepreneur.
I guess for us, the mission was to make energy effortless and affordable for everyone. And that is really, really, really hard to do at scale globally. The only way to do it was to completely reinvent the way electricity flows through a property or through a building or through a home. In order to do that, you have to reinvent the electrical panel.
I mean, you put it simply, homes are done.
Yeah,
And
totally.
Switchboards are the last thing in the home to have something happen to it, I reckon.
We had to make them intelligent, we had to make them affordable, we had to deliver value through to the customers, and most importantly, we had to set the electricians up for success. They are categorically the most important person in our journey. For 50 years, they've been left in the dark ages. They don't have the products or technologies to really support and improve outcomes for their customers.
They're the trusted consultant
They
for the everyday person, but they don't even realise their own value, right? And that's hopefully what we change.
We had this underlying belief that we could help customers save thousands of dollars. We could make their homes fundamentally safer. I mean, I've got my own story around safety, how I got nearly electrocuted as a kid. And the technologies and the capabilities, they exist to solve those problems for customers. They just haven't been organised properly.
So 5 years, a little bit over 5 years. Now we can say we're finally at the start line. We're not there, but at least now we can officially kick this thing off and introduce what is, we believe, the world's first smart panel.
Yeah, totally. And it's been an epically challenging journey.
Yeah.